already. I will explain similar polygons, similar triangles. Similar polygons means when take two polygons, their corresponding sides are proportion and their corresponding angles are equal. Is it a polygon or triangle? Maybe is it a polygon or triangle? Compulsory to apply the conditions of corresponding sides are proportional and corresponding angles are equal. This is the similarity of polygons or triangles. ABCDE and PQRST are two polygons. ABCDE, PQRST are two polygons, and these two polygons are similar. How to say? Means first of all, these are the properties of polygons. What are the properties? Their corresponding sides are proportional. Their corresponding angles are equal. So, point number 1, corresponding sides are proportional. In both polygons, what are the corresponding sides? AB by PQ, both are corresponding. BC by QR, CD by RS, DE by SC, EA by EP. These are all corresponding sides. But what are the corresponding angles? Angle A equal to
Angle B.
angle B equal to
Angle Q.
angle C equal to
Angle R.
angle D equal to
Angle S.
angle E equal to
Angle D.
yeah, these are the corresponding angles. So corresponding sides are proportional to each one to another, and their corresponding angles are equal. So these two properties are obey the conditions of two similar polygons. And next one, if the ratio of two quantities are equal, ratio of two quantities, that means we compare any two polygons or any two triangles, their corresponding sides are must and should to proportional to one to another or to each other, and their corresponding sides are also equal. And again we will take two different types of triangles, and these two triangles are similar. How to say? Means some properties are given. If two triangles are similar, what are the properties are obey to two triangles are similar? That means if two triangles are said to be similar to each other, two triangles అనేవి similar అని మనం అనుకుంటే ఎలా to each other ఒకదానితో ఒకటి. If ఏమవ్వాలి? their corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles equal అవ్వాలి, and their corresponding sides are proportional. Sides కూడా ఎలా ఉండాలి? Proportional. So we will take two different triangles. Like ABC is one triangle and PQR is another triangle. Triangles are mainly three types. What are they? Equilateral triangle means all sides are and all angles are equal. Isosceles triangle means any two sides are equal compared to the third side. And scale means all sides and all angles are different. So these are the mainly three triangles, namely equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalar triangle. So here, if two triangles are similar to each other, when their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are proportional. So here in triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar to each other. How to say? First of all, the corresponding angles are equal. What is the first condition? Corresponding angles are angles. Angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to so angle A and angle B both are how much angle? 50. Angle B and angle Q both are 60. Angle C and angle both are 70. Okay, first condition is proved. The corresponding angles are equal. Second condition is their corresponding sides are proportional. There means two triangles. What are there? ABC and PQ. So AB equal to 14 centimeters and PQ equal to 7. So AB by PQ equal to 14 by 7. BC by QR. BC means 10, QR means 5. 10 by 5. And AC equal to PR. Both are 12 by 6. So in all three cases, ratio will be same. That means AB by PQ equal to 2 by 1. 14 by 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. BC by QR equal to 2 by 1. 6 ones, 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. CA by AC by PR equal to 12 by 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. So in all three cases, AB by PQ, BC by QR and CA by AC by PR both are equal to 2 by 1. So similarly, a triangle ABC and triangle PQR are congruent, are similar to each other.